Hi friends! In this video, we're going to explore the signs greater than, less than, and equal to compare numbers. Our friends Jenny and Seth went camping with some other friends. They made s'mores. Jenny and Seth decided they wanted to see who could toast the most marshmallows. Jenny toasted 32 marshmallows and Seth toasted 23 marshmallows. When we're comparing numbers, we ask the question, did Jenny toast more or fewer marshmallows than Seth? Did Seth toast more or fewer marshmallows than Jenny? In order for us to determine who toasted more and who toasted fewer marshmallows, we have to look at the numbers themselves. Look at this model of the number 32. We have 3 10s and 2 1s. Look at the model of the number 23. We have 2 10s and 3 1s. When we're comparing two-digit numbers like these, we start by looking at the value of the tens place. We compare the tens place because it has greater value than the ones place. Jenny has 3 tens, Seth has 2 tens. Since Jenny has 3 tens in 32 and Seth has 2 tens in 23, we can say that Jenny toasted more marshmallows than Seth. We can also say that Seth toasted fewer marshmallows than Jenny. We can use symbols greater than and less than to show how we compare numbers. Greater than means more than. Less than means less or fewer. Let's compare 53 and 35. When we look at the models of each number, we can see that there are 5 10s and 3 1s in 53 and 3 10s and 5 1s in 35. When we want to compare these two numbers, we look at the tens place. 53 has 5 10s, 35 has 3 10s. 5 10s is greater than 3 10s or more than 3 10s, and we can use this symbol greater than to show that 53 is greater than 35. Let's try to compare the numbers 32 and 38. I see 32 has 3 10s and 2 1s. I see that 38 has 3 10s and 8 1s. When we're comparing two-digit numbers, we start by looking at the tens place. But what happens when the tens are the same? Then we compare the ones place. 32 has 3 10s and 2 1s. 38 has 3 10s and 8 1s. 2 1s is less than 8 1s. So we can use the symbol less than to compare these numbers. 32 is less than 38. What happens when the numbers are the same? The tens are the same and the ones are the same. What symbol would we use to show a comparison of these numbers? 47 equals 47, so we would use an equal sign to show how we compare 47 and 47. Let's practice. What sign would go in the circle to compare 36 and 49? Less than. 36 is less than 49. What symbol would go in the circle to compare 82 and 56? Greater than. 82 is greater than 56. What sign would go in the circle to compare 63 and 63? Equals. 63 equals 63. Great job comparing numbers and using greater than, less than, and the equal sign.